Assalamualaikum Beam students. Today I'm going to be walking you through the Quizlet program that is newly acquired to Beam. So this program is a very good program that we can all use and we all have access to as Beam kids because of our amazing Beam Arabic teachers that have set this up for us, and they have created all of they have put so much time and effort into perfecting the use of Quizlet. So what you need to do first, in any browser, search up Quizlet.com, and it should be the first link. It may take a few seconds to load. So once it has loaded, select the first link. And when you log in, you should start at this screen. And in the top left corner, you can select this at any time to go to home. So this is the screen that you should start off with. And then in the top right corner, there's going to be the login option. So you're going to select that, and your teachers are going to give you the username and password to your account. So once you have logged in, you want to select the classes. Everyone has classes, and it's going to be every single person is going to have one class for Beam, and it's going to be either level 1, level 2, level 3, or level 4. The levels are decided by what class you're in, and every level are similar, like level 1 and level 2 are similar to each other. Level 3 and level 4 are also similar to each other. So I'm going to be walking you through the level 1 because it's similar to level 1 and 2, and the level 4 because it's similar to level 3 and 4. This way, we have basically covered all of the levels, and it will satisfy your needs in this tutorial. So you're going to scroll down and find the vocabulary set, and there's a lot of vocabulary sets, and this is for level 1 and 2. There's many vocabulary sets, but you must select the vocabulary set that has the letter that you were doing in class that week. So let's say this week during Beam class we were learning the letter wow. So I'm going to select this at home, and it's going to take me to this screen right here. What I want to do is I can read this and start to focus on pronouncing it and practice, and then I can select again, and it should show the picture of what it is. So in level 1 and 2, it focuses on on learning the words with a visual. Level 3 and 4, it works basically to make you memorize the words, but without any pictures. And again, your levels are decided by your teacher because of your class. So flashcards, basically same thing for every term. And when you finish one term, you can select the arrow right here, so you can go to the next term. So on and so forth. And once you have finished, if you feel like you want to do it again, you can click Study with Flashcards again. If not, you can select try learn mode. So you can move on to the next mode. So learn mode is basically, it gives you these Arabic letters and you want to type this word right here. Again, this is for level 1 and 2. You want to type this word right here in this box. And once you have done that, so right here, you answer. And it's very important for you to have the harakat at the top and the sukun. So if you do so, if you don't do so, it will count wrong, just like this. And when it brings you to the wrong screen, you can listen to the word by selecting this icon. ولد. Or and it will show you what you got wrong and how you can fix it. So once you finish all of the terms in learn, you can do write. Write is pretty much like learn. So these two are pretty much the same thing. And write is basically just extra practice for learn. So once you have finished those two, you can move on to spell. All you do is type what you hear. So you double click this icon right here, this speaker. ولد. And it should say a word in Arabic. And then you go ahead and type that word right here. So once you have finished all of them, you can move on to the test. Test is not a grade, like it's not gonna be a grade for you. It may display as your score. So it's just for you to do the ultimate review for all of the previous activities you have done. So that's a great resource to have. After you finish the study section, you can move on to the play section. And there's 2 games, and the instructions are in the games, and they're pretty fun, and they also help you learn your vocabulary terms. Once you finish everything, you can do all of them again or just a couple again. The ones you liked again, as much as you want. So depending on what you feel like you want to do, you can go ahead and repeat flashcards, learn, write, spell, test, or the games. So at the bottom, when you scroll down, it'll show you your stats, and it'll show you what you've sometimes missed, and then you've never missed. So the ones that you've never missed, that means you perfected them, and then sometimes missed, that you should try to get a little better at these. So moving on from level 1 and 2, I'm going to go to classes, and it's going to be the same thing. Everybody, depending on their class, they will have one level, and when you select classes, it will pop up as the first one. So let's just say level 4. You want to, level 4 and level 3 are pretty much the same, but level 4 is a little harder based on your class. So you're gonna click the top, the latest set, and when you select that, you can do the same things: flashcard, learn, write, spell, test, match, and gravity. So study and play. But except here, you're learning without the pictures. So julus, you click, it's sitting. So it's gonna tell you the meaning of the Arabic word in English. So you can learn it without pictures. That's for level 3 and 4. Level 1 and 2 are with pictures. So now that you guys are familiar with the Quizlet website, it's very fun, very easy, and your teachers can reward you and will reward you if they see that you've been doing Quizlet, because they can see your progress. And if they see some improvement in your Arabic skills during class, they're also going to reward you for that. So it's literally just the terms that you've been studying in class on a easy platform to use, and it's very helpful. Trust me, and it's very fun, and all people that have done this so far in Beam have enjoyed it. So I would recommend doing this. There's no reason not to. It's free, and it's fun and easy, and you can improve in your Beam Arabic skills, and you can get rewarded for it. Thank you.